So if you're having issues with your Raspy Jack, anything like GPS dongles not connecting, if you have ran the PIP3 GPSD install and it's still not working, or you're having issues with your Wi-Fi dongle, there's steps you could take once you SSH in to be able to check the logs and see exactly where the errors are. And I'm about to show you how to do that now. So once you SSH in, which you should know how to do. If you don't, there's other videos on my page where I show you how to do that. But then you're going to want to run sudo journal control -u raspyjack -n50. When you run that, once you enter the password, you should get logs like this. Now this is your last 17 entries, so you're going to hit Control C to get back to it. And then if you want to see them live, then you're going to want to run sudo journal control -u raspyjack -f, and then you will see them in real time. So this is how you do it: sudo journal control -u raspyjack -f, and that's real-time logs. If I were to have an error, GPS no fix, I'm still having that issue. Now it's showing here, you'll see them start rolling. This is in real time. Now if I want to say, okay, why is my GPS not working? So then to get out of this, you just hit Control C and you'll get back to your main Raspy Jack screen. And for specific error, if you want to grab more lines, you can run sudo journal control -u raspyjack -n, and instead of putting 50, put 100. And that'll pull even more of your logs if you run it with 100 instead of 50. Now to check for system-wide errors, you're going to want to run sudo dmesg, D-M-E-S-G, that line, I don't know what that's called, tail -30. When you run that, then it will pull these right here, new USB devices found. And then to check your USB devices live, you would enter sudo dmesg -w, and this will pull this up. So if I pull this out, removed, this is basically how you do it. And then you narrow it down through these commands here. So for my situation, to check for my GPS, I would type sudo system control status GPSD. And that'll show you that. So it's active running, enabled, but for some reason it's still not showing up with war driving. This is what I'm troubleshooting now, and something is not feeding the data to it. I got to figure this out, why it's not, but this is how you do it. Then I'd run cgps-s. So that's showing the GPS in real time, even though there is no coordinates. I'm inside right now, so that's why, but I'm trying to figure out why it's not connecting when I'm outside and hooked up to my vehicle's GPS and all that stuff. So I will figure it out and I will keep you all posted. This is how you do it, family. This is how you do the troubleshooting, pulling logs and checking all your errors and dongles, Wi-Fi, GPS, etc. with your Raspy Jack, man. I hope this helps somebody. Appreciate all y'all. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Protect.